Do you ever wish you had a genie like Aladdin? We have great news. You don't need to wait for your magic lamp anymore. In this world of smart devices, artificial intelligence and IoT, you would probably need a tech genie when these devices cause a problem. You now have a personal genie and your wish is their command. QuickGenie. QuickGenie provides complete and concise solutions for all your day-to-day problems. If you need anything, anytime, anywhere, help is just a tap away. Just tap the lamp to get the genie out and tell him what you need. The QuickGenie is equipped with cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, speech recognition, location tracking to help find answers to your problems. If you have a problem, we have a solution. Need your home cleaned or help with any repairs? Or maybe you need help with your computer, printer, modem or even your smart TV? Feel like you need a spa at home? Looking for home renovation services? Planning a wedding? Whether you are looking for a plumber, electrician, or even a carpenter, QuickGenie has got your back. What's more, you can fill a quick form to request a feature or service. QuickGenie is fast, smart and safe. We also cater beyond home-based services. Small, medium businesses and enterprises use our services to maintaining their infrastructure. QuickGenie provides opportunity to freelancers, freshmen and college students who seek part-time work. If you have a skill, why not get paid for it? Sign up using the simple online form. Tell us about your skills and services you can offer. The genie matches you with the task and notifies you through the QuickGenie app. Simple, quick and easy. Once the task is complete and the customer is satisfied, you get paid and reviews. A higher rating helps you get more tasks and higher pay for any future jobs. In technical terms, QuickGenie is a hyperlocal service network built on the latest and upcoming technologies. QuickGenie also uses similar algorithms used by Uber and Airbnb to ensure you get a streamlined user experience. You can sit back, relax and get things fixed from the comfort of your couch. QuickGenie always there for you. Download the app today and summon the genie.